Hey guys, just doing some quick parking lot pulls. Have a decent stretch, so you guys can finally get to some test it. There it goes. Now there you see we have to do some suspension adjustment because it's going to the right. Let's go again. Still need to adjust more. You guys see those tire marks? So I have to make some adjustments. I think maybe I'm gonna have to unload the left side. Just to accommodate it. Let's go ahead. That's a little bit better. But also you have to remember that these cars will torque steer. Let's go again. This battery's not even fully charged. Still having a lot of torque steer. And funny enough, guys, I spent last night dialing in the suspension, and it's like every single time I drive the car, I have to dial it in again. But that means a lot of power going to the small thing. You have to understand. That's a lot better. So let's try another one with some more adjustment. I don't know if you guys can see the mark, the tire tracks. Let's go again. As you can see guys, this is how dirty the car gets after each run, especially on these roads. That's why I don't really like to do these type of runs outside other than on my street, because these roads are extremely dirty. Jeez. Well guys, that's it. Gonna have a long time now cleaning up this car. Here we go. So like, share and subscribe, right? And 876 RC Drive.